one. For an ellipse, x squared divided by a squared plus y squared divided by b squared equals 1, where our a is greater than b and b is greater than 0, we have the foci at 1, 0 and negative 1, 0. A line passing through the point F intersects the ellipse at point P and Q. When the perimeter of the triangle PF prime and Q is 10, we're going to find the value of a squared plus b squared. So basically we have to find a squared and b squared. So here's a little picture I drew of it, a little sketch. It's not much, but there we go. So here's our foci here. So this would be point negative 1, 0, and this point would be 1, 0. Now, looking at this, we know by definition of a triangle that the length of PF plus the length of PF prime equals 2a. So these two lengths here, PF and PF equals 2a. All right, similarly, we know that QF plus QF prime also equals 2a. So QF, and let's do this in red. I'll do it in yellow. All right, QF and QF prime equals this 2a right here. So therefore, the perimeter of the triangle is going to be, so I'm doing the perimeter of triangle PF prime Q. And that's going to be equal to the length of PF prime plus the length of F prime Q plus the length of PQ. All right, this is going to equal PF, this should be prime here. All right, so basically this is going to equal PF prime plus F prime Q, and then I can rewrite PQ as these two together. So I'm going to just substitute that in and write this as the length of PF. So this one right here in green plus the length of FQ, this one. That equals all of that. So PF, or this will be QF. QF. All right. Now, let's rearrange everything. And this is going to give us PF prime plus PF plus F prime Q plus FQ, this length. All right. So do that together. All right. Now that we have that, using substitution, we know this equals 2a and this one equals 2a. So we have 2a plus 2a. And that equals 4a. And we also know that equals 10. So basically we have 4a equals 10. Solving for a, we get a equals 5 divided by 2. So now we have our a. Now we have to find our b. So a squared would be 10 or 25 divided by 4. Now let's do the b squared. And for that, we have a equals 5 halves. Now since we have an ellipse here, we can do c squared equals a squared minus b squared. Well, my c is 1 because my focus is 1 here. So this is 1, 0. So since my c is 1, I have 1 squared equals 5 divided by 2 squared minus b squared. Therefore, b squared equals 25 divided by 4 minus 1, which equals 21 divided by 4. Therefore, when you have, let's put a squared equals 25 divided by 4, and b squared equals 21 divided by 4. So basically what you're going to get is a squared plus b squared equals 25 divided by 4 plus 21 divided by 4, and that equals 46 divided by 4, which equals 23 divided by 2. And that's what a squared plus b squared equals. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.